Some mushrooms.
What is that?
Maybe they're on LSD. I don't know what's going on.
No, they're hanging out over there by the poop patrol bucket.
Yeah, that's where they keep their drugs. Meanwhile, murdering over here.
Oh.
Yeah, everyone sees what you took away from someone.
That was Mister's. No, I think she like... No, it's still alive. He's so proud. Oh, that poor grasshopper. Oh, oh. Oh my God, she's brutal. Oh my Lord. Oh no, she went. Did she go in the house with it? Oh no.
Oh, here she is. I still got it, guys.
Don't panic. Oh, that thing's roadkill. Oh. Oh my gosh.
You shouldn't play with your food, it's rude.
She's looking around for other cats.